What's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, I'm She's Pretty Red. So in today's video, I will be doing another hair review for you all. And today's video is brought to you guys by Ossilee hair. So y'all, I actually love this hair, y'all. I took it out of the pack and was really surprised of how shiny it was, you guys, how soft it was, and just overall the texture just blew me away, y'all. So with that being said, I'm just showing you guys what it looks like straight out of the package, showing you guys the hairline. It does come with 3 clips and an adjustable strap, and you do get a little bit of lace at the back if that is your preference. So I'm just trying it on my head. I am going to glue this wig down because I plan on wearing this unit for a while because, baby, I love it, okay? So with that being said, I'll go ahead and let you guys watch me install this unit.
Just get my shots on the beat.
30 hertz straight up.
Wig, you guys, is a 13x6 unit. It is 28 inches long and it is 250% density, you guys. Really full, and I love that part about this hair.
Just get my shots on the beat.
30 hertz straight up.
had minimal shedding, you guys, so not much, which is a plus with this hair because I did cut lace and I did cut my ear tab as well. So yeah. Because I use the set and mousse, you guys, the lock-in pomade, moisturizing and shine. So yes, I love it. Even though the hair already was shiny, when I initially showed you guys the curl pattern in the beginning, I love it. This is what the ends look like. Yeah, the ends on this side, and yeah, I love it. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to leave me a big like. If you guys are interested in this hair, I'm going to leave all other companies' information in my description box below, so that way you guys can be sure to check them out. I love you guys, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace.